Hello and welcome back to another vlog. I'm Lexi. I am back in Paris, so that means more Parisian content. So we're gonna go explore. I don't know what we're doing. My plan is to walk around, maybe shop, do all that. So I'm gonna take you along with me. Both of my roommates are coming, so let's go do that. Cute. Okay, so today we are doing more thrifting. I know I didn't end off yesterday. That's because, you know, bowel movements and, you know, hot girls will understand. But yeah, so we're gonna do more vintage and thrifting. So let's do that. It's very hot, so yeah. Let me show you my outfit. You can kind of see it, but I'll show it in the one downstairs. I did get these heels. I'm gonna do a full haul today probably. Oh my god, we shopped until we dropped. Like, the last place I literally had to sit and just like, I found a seat and I was like, Haley, you go ahead, finish shopping, I can't do this. But I'm gonna show you the 3 things that I have thrifted. I've gotten other things like clothes, but I want to show you the ones I've thrifted, and I'm gonna try to hit up some flea markets this weekend. So I think this video is short enough where I'm gonna add those all together. But let me show you. Mind you, I just realized I want all these pieces to go into one outfit. So first off, these fucking shoes. Like, braided, I mean, like, they look okay on. Like, okay, like, you know, like this. But when I put them on, look them on. Like, imagine it on. Cute. Like, so cute. And they were literally 15 euros. Remember, keep in mind, all together outfit. Then I ended up getting that red skirt that I showed everyone. So it's like, sits kind of like right at my hips, super long. I'm like, yes, this would go great with the heels. I might wear this when I go to the flea market. My other roommate, Madeline's like, how are you gonna walk in those heels at the flea market the whole time? I'm like, watch me. Oh, I did get this scarf at the last place when we were checking out. I negotiated down to 15. I just love the little pears on it. Like, so cute. And I'm just like, you know, renewing my closet after my house burned. Ooh, all my clothes burned, so these are all new. But I get to rebuild my wardrobe, and I was on a shopping ban before my house burned because I had too many clothes. And now I get to buy clothes again. Okay. This is my favorite. It's from, if you're here, you gotta go to Canon Vintage. All of their stuff is like 100% silk from like the 1920s to the 1940s. Obsessed. Real silk, a lot of designer in there. I was obsessed. Everything was, the cheapest thing I found was 120 euros. So mind you, if you're going to that, they're gonna be upwards of 150 to, I think the most expensive thing I saw was 400. So, but I picked this up and I was like, you know, and you saw this in the video, me try it on. I was like, yeah, this is cute, let me just try it on. Like, but there's other pieces around. Like, but when I tried this one, beautiful. Look at this, so cute. The polka dots, the fucking focus. The polka dots, this fucking lace detail, which is also on the back. I'm obsessed with this kind of like crochet lace detail. But yeah, imagine the skirt with this top and those heels. Obsessed. I mean, this piece I'm gonna wear 24/7. Yeah. So yeah, I've been getting some cute stuff. Yesterday, I wish that fur coat was a tad bigger and half the price because I would have bought it. But yeah, it's been pretty good. I'm excited for the flea market this weekend. I can't buy too much because, you know, I still got 2 more places I gotta go to, and I'm not trying to separate my 2 big bags until after the next place I am at, but we might have to. We shall see. Yeah, but we're gonna make dinner. I think I'm gonna show you that and like have a cute little night, and I'm gonna paint my nails. Yeah, I'm happy with my purchases and I can't wait to do more. I'm trying to be very mindful with my purchases because I'm rebuilding my closet and I don't want to make mistakes that I have done before where I just bought a bunch of stuff. I want to be intentional with my purchases and things that I'm gonna wear a lot. So yeah. Yum yum. Hello and welcome to another day. We woke up bright and early, like a little too early, to head to the flea market. So that's what we've been doing. We have gone to 2 already and we're now on to our 3rd. So let's keep going. The only thing I've bought were like some pins, which I'm trying to keep it small. No clue. I don't think I ended up my last video, so I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you want to see more adventures on this little 3-month adventure I'm doing, make sure to subscribe down below and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.